Hi, it's Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to look at a brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 325 Conquest. This boat was just uncovered today. We're going to be taking the first look together. So as we start here in the rear transom, you notice two large Mercury Verado 300 motors in the white to match the hull. It's a great look. Stepping into the cockpit, like all Conquest, you have these foldaway seats. So if you wanted to have more room in the cockpit here to fish or to do whatever you want to do, you fold those seats away. If you're going to entertain, you could open them back up. This boat is also equipped with the swim door right here. Very cool feature, easy to use, closes away nice and tight. Another great thing about Boston Whalers is how well they put together the components. You can see this boat does come with a Westerbeek generator, and everything that you need to access in here is super accessible, easy to get to. You also have your table stowed away right here, great access. So we move to the forward of the cockpit. You see this boat does come with a Canyon electric grill. Great accessible location back here. Cook up whatever you catch. Fantastic option. Moving forward, we have a Dometic fridge right here. Also a little sink. Great little feature. As we step forward, this chair does go forward. So if you wanted to close the grill away, sit facing the rear, you can set the seat up like this, have some peak stands right here, nice and comfortable spot. Similarly, this chair also would move forward and back. You got a little switch right here. So if you wanted to face forward while you're underway, you do that. While you're stopped, you wanted to push this way, lift up the table, have a nice little spot to eat, all right here. Coming to the helm station, you'll see two large Raymarine screens, multifunction. This boat is also equipped with Mercury vessel view, Fusion stereo, an onboard VHF up here, and also joystick, which is an important option for a lot of people. As we step into the cabin here, this Conquest, you'll notice there's plenty of room. I'm over 6 foot tall. I don't have to bend down at all. Plenty of room for myself. Nice size head if you want to come here and get a closer look at that. Fantastic. Have another Kenyon grill right here, microwave, a second fridge, and then as I step out of the way, nice spot for seating. This table will go down, pillar cushion if you wanted to make a giant bed. Also in here, if you want to come in here a little further and join me, you do have a nice TV right here as well. So this boat does a lot of things well. It's a great fishing boat, and it's also very comfortable if you want to spend the night or be out on the water for a long time. Behind you there, you have more room for sleeping underneath the cockpit. And as you pan back over here, you have easily accessible your breaker and electronic panel. Excellent. Now we can step back out and take another look at the boat. Follow me. We're going to take a walk around outside and show you a look of the hull and the underneath of the boat. So if you have any questions about this boat or like to see this in person, give us a call at MarineMax Huntington, New York. One of our sales consultants will be happy to show you this boat, answer any questions that you have, or show you any other inventory that we have. Thank you for joining me. My name is Josh. Hope to hear from you.